GoBank prepaid cards honest review watch before using. Most people think prepaid cards are just like debit cards, but GoBank offers features and pitfalls you need to understand before signing up. GoBank is a US-based digital banking service offering prepaid cards that can be loaded with funds, used for purchases, and managed entirely online. One standout feature is early direct deposit, which can give you access to your paycheck up to 2 days early, a huge advantage for budgeting and cash flow. Most people get this wrong. They assume prepaid cards don't earn any perks. The surprising truth is that GoBank offers cashback rewards at certain merchants, savings tools, and budgeting alerts, which makes managing money easier than many expect. Another advantage is fee transparency. Unlike some prepaid cards that hide fees in fine print, GoBank clearly lists monthly account fees, ATM usage charges, and other service costs. You can also avoid certain fees by using GoBank partners for withdrawals and transactions. However, there are considerations. The monthly account fee can be a deal breaker for some, and overdraft protection is limited compared to traditional banks. Also, international use may come with higher fees. In conclusion, GoBank prepaid cards are a solid option if you want online management, early access to pay, and rewards features, but you need to weigh fees and limits carefully. Always read the fee schedule and plan your usage to get the most out of your card. Subscribe for more honest prepaid card and digital banking reviews before choosing your next financial tool.